Hi, I'm Benedicta Lux of Supernatura. I'm doing a collaboration with We Are Knitters, and today we're going to be dyeing wool using natural dyes. Always use equipment separate from your cooking utensils. You will need a stainless steel pot, as iron or aluminium can react with the dye extracts, a long mixing stick, a sieve, a small jar to mix, and a spoon. If you're using less wool than given in the pack, you will need a scale. It is useful to have a temperature gauge. After dyeing, remember that all natural dyes are sensitive to sunlight, so dry out of the sun. Wash with a pH-neutral wool soap to conserve the colors. So I'm going to mordant the wool, and mordanting is a process that makes the fiber take color better. Mordanting means to bite, so it's basically opening the fiber to take color. It helps with the light fastness of the fiber, for example, that it won't fade in sunlight. The quantities given in the kit are based on a 15% alum ratio, calculated for 400 grams of wool. If you're using any less, weigh the wool and calculate the alum based on 15% of the dry fiber. A wool is a protein fiber, and as such, we are using potassium aluminium sulfate to mordant it. Okay, now I'll take you through each step. Prepare the wool yarn by unspooling it. Soak the wool in tap water and make sure all of it's submerged. Add alum to a small jar and wet with tap water. Stir to make a paste. In a large stainless steel pot, fill with water. Fill it deep enough that the water can move freely even with the wool added. Add the alum paste to the mordant. Heat the alum mixture, and once it reaches around 80 Celsius, add the wool and turn off the heat. Make sure the wool can move around freely in the water. Stir gently without any movements that stress the wool, as this can make it felt. Let it sit for 45 minutes. Remove from the water and dry if not using, or proceed to the next step of dyeing.